Check out this solar light. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this beautiful solar light. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Now, before I get too far, I do want to note this pole did not come with it. We actually have another solar light very similar to this, so I don't even have this one screwed on right now. But I wanted to show you guys how cool it is. You can see there's an on and off button on the side right here, so you can turn it on and off. It does have a sensor on it. It also comes with a remote. With the remote, I can turn it on. I can turn it off, which is kind of nice. So I can do that from inside the house. The remote has a whole bunch of options. I can make it dimmer. So you can see it kind of gets a little bit dimmer. When it gets dark, I'll show this to you guys a little bit better as well. There's the auto button. Auto is what's going to make it turn on with like motion and things like that. Then there is, what else do we have on here? 3-hour, 5-hour, or 8-hour timer. So you can set it on a timer, which is also really, really nice. It's really pretty. So we're going to come back and show you what it looks like in the dark in just a second. All right, we're going to check out the light. As you can see, right now I have it set to where it's dim. But as soon did you see it? As soon as you walk out here, it gets bright. Look how bright that is. And it is dark outside right now. All you can really see is the lights back there. That is really cool. Let's see, turn off. Look how bright that is. So now it's off. Now I have that solar light and that little solar light is on. So that's off. And then that's on. It definitely lights up a huge area. This is really nice. Ooh, I'm excited. This is going to be really nice for way in that back corner where it's always dark and I can't see the dogs. So as you guys can see, even when it's dark out, this lights up so much of the yard. I mean, even at dusk right now, you can see how bright it actually is. It's beautiful. I love it. And I'm gonna have to get another pole because these, like I said, that's the same style of light. The fact that it's a solar light means it charges all day and then at night it comes on, and we have some dark areas in our yard. So we're gonna use these to brighten up the yard. If you guys are looking for an epic, super bright solar light, we recommend this.